For the next part of the Google Classroom scoring checklist, you have to grade assignments and transfer the grades. I will be going in there and completing an assignment for every single student who submits. But if you create an assignment the morning that the whole Google Classroom assignment's due in our class, then most likely I won't be able to get to it. But I'm pretty diligent. I try to make sure you have something to go in there to grade. It's usually puppy or kitty memes, but what you do to grade is you go into the grades tab and you can see here some students I have in my class, and right here I can give a grade of 25. But you have to make sure that you hit the little kebab here and return grade. Okay, that means that the grade has been sent back to the student, and you have the option of leaving a comment here, but that releases the grade to the student. And the second part of this section of the scoring checklist is that you have to transfer the grades to the grade book. Oops, wrong thing, excuse me. So go into one of your assignments. Let's say this. And up here, when you're inside of an assignment, any assignment, you click the cog at the top right, copy all grades to Google Sheets, and it will create a Google Sheet for you. That is your grade book. You have to use the functionality in Classroom to create your Google Sheets grade book in order to get full credit for this part of the rubric. This link is what you will be turning in to me on Moodle. Share, make sure and set its comment, and turn that into Moodle, and that will be my sign that you are ready for me to grade your Google Classroom. So that's it for grading an assignment and transferring grades to Google Sheets.